everybody. It's Mrs. McGuire, and this week we're going to be talking about all about leaves and the fall and how the leaves change colors. And you're going to be doing an activity with Harry Yash for Host Nation, talking about the beautiful leaves and how they change in Germany and what some of the colors are called. You're also going to be doing a fun art activity with Mr. Norris, all about leaves. And with me, we're going to be learning a song called Leaves that has some rhythm with it. We're going to learn how to keep the steady beat with it. And we're also going to learn how melody, the tune of a song, can go up and down, and how your voice changes when it goes up and down, just like leaves. When leaves fall from the trees, they fall down from the trees, right? If we were pick up leaves and throw them up in the air, they'd go up. So how our voices go up and down as well. So before we do that, here's a little autumn fun activity. This is just a question for you to think about. What do you enjoy about autumn the most? We know autumn is another term for the fall. For me, I like when the weather gets a little bit cooler, right? And I can maybe put on a fire in the fireplace and drink some hot chocolate. So I like that a lot about autumn. I also like, as you can see, this girl, she's kind of raking up all the leaves. I like to rake up all big pile of crispy leaves and then jump in the leaves. I used to do that a lot when I was your age, so I like that as well. What colors do the leaves turn? Ask yourself, what are some of the different colors the leaves turn when I'm in my car and I'm driving to work? I always enjoy looking at the beautiful leaves and the beautiful colors in the fall. You're going to be learning again some of those colors and how to say them in German with Herr Yash. Okay, lyrics. Lyrics are actually, it's a fancy word for the words to a song. So first we're going to explore the lyrics of this song, Leaves. And the lyrics are, in the autumn, see the leaves soaring freely in the breeze. Now they're falling, falling down, orange and golden, red and brown. Okay, so the lyrics are talking about how they're falling and some of the different colors of the leaves. Okay, now that we know the lyrics, we can keep our steady beat with the lyrics. And each leaf represents a beat, right? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 leaves in each line. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 measures in a meter of 4. So this time, let's go ahead and say the lyrics and let's clap as we do it on a steady beat. In the autumn, see the leaves soaring freely in the breeze. Now they're falling, falling down, orange and golden, red and brown. Okay, so I said the words, but I kept a steady beat in each line, clapping 4 times per line. Okay, now rhythm icons. Now this time I'd like you to clap the rhythm. You can see the acorns represent the eighth notes, right? 2 beats per, two sounds per beat. And the leaf represents 1 sound. So this time let's clap the rhythm. In the autumn, see the leaves soaring freely in the breeze. Now they're falling, falling down, orange and golden, red and brown. Okay, and you guys are really good with keeping a steady beat and keeping those rhythms, so this should be a nice review for you. Now we'll look at the actual notes. So we've got our eighth notes followed by our quarter note in each measure. You can see the rhythm is the same in each line, right? So we could count them by saying our rhythmic syllables, T, 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 ta, or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, right? So in the autumn, see the leaves soaring freely in the breeze. Now they're falling, falling down, orange and golden, red and brown. Okay, so we practiced it a couple of times, so you notice my tempo got a little bit faster there, because I think we're getting used to saying the lyrics in rhythm. Now here's the time where we're going to add in the melody, right? We're going to add in the notes. So you can notice that the acorns start at the bottom and they work their way up, 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 all the way up until breeze is the highest one, right? So it goes, in the autumn, see the leaves soaring freely in the breeze. So it ascends, right? It goes up until the end of that line. And then you'll see that it descends. Now it starts at the top and comes back down. Now they're falling, falling down, orange and golden, red and brown. And you can see brown, it ends up right where we started, right? And so if I was to add my melody and my tune with it, just like the acorns and the leaves going up, our voices are going to go up in the first slide and come down in the second slide. So it sounds like this. In the autumn, see the leaves soaring freely in the breeze. Now they're falling, falling down, orange and golden, red and brown. And then if you were to look at the music, that's what it would look like. We're starting, you can see we're in 4/4 time. Our measures are separated by bar lines. And we have half notes at the end, which we didn't have at the beginning. So we're holding on and going from all the way to the bottom to the top here at the end. We're going whoosh, kind of making our voice sound like if the wind was blowing the leaves up and coming back down. So it would look like this, sound like this with the music. In the autumn, see the leaves soaring freely in the breeze. Now they're falling, falling down, orange and golden, red and brown. Whoosh. Right, because we know our half notes, we hold it for 2 counts. Okay, so you just read a piece of music by using the rhythm, a steady beat, and then also adding the melody or the tune to it. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye-bye.